How does that make you feel when you look back sa timeline?
What would be your best experience in football?
Sa mga tao na tumutulong sa'yo. And isa din yan sa mga dahilan kung bakit nga dapat ka talaga maging idol ng marami. Ito bang isa? Kasi marami naman, karamihan ng ating ng mga kasama mo dito sa 50 Greatest. Siyempre, mga MVP, mga champions, lahat na yan. Pero ang tumatak sa akin, ang karaniwan. Sa tingin mo, ano ang pinakamalaking improvement mo sa player?
Ano pre? Okay. May kita mo? Okay lang ba sa'yo from the side? Okay lang ba sa atin?
Ano mo ba maglaro?
Okay lang ba sa atin? Okay lang ba sa atin? Ako hindi po. Ba't may ito? Ayun ba ito? Apat tayo. Ako pa. Okay, enjoy ah.
Today!
Absolutely. Alam mo, I can only imagine those watching at home. Oh, tama, pamili ko dati. Toyota, pamili ko dati Vespa, or maybe right now, baka never seen na kayo, baka nakapagkay na kayo, maybe you're a pure Foods fan, but there's so much legacy to talk about, especially talk about the players. And alam mo, we have
sa mga ganitong affairs, nakikita natin yung basketball, PBA community na nagsasama-sama. But the real, does that go with?
yes.
The family that you chose, di ba? Kamusta naman yung selection? Yung 8 na kailangan na mapili to make the top 10 or the 10 that will be introduced today. Your thought?
Yes, everybody deserves, especially the 10 that they're going to introduce today. So they will deserve additional 10.
Kaya hindi ka naman talaga ever nawala sa basketball scene. Kahit na hindi ka naman hindi naglalaro. You've always been a part of the game. Being a coach, tanong sa'yo, ano naman yung...
Ayun lang, super best. Wala akong words na sabi.
And of course, you are arguably not the youngest player on that list of 50th right now. Siyempre, we're hoping for a longer, even longer career for you. But now knowing that, okay, you're now part of the list na to, what does that give you?
Thank you. All the way down.
Coach, welcome. How are you?
How are you?
Thank you.
Was once a Rookie of the Year, four-time All-Defensive Team member, four-time Mythical Team, was once part of Mythical Second Team, and a Grand Slam champion. Welcome to the roster of the greatest PBA players, Mr. Jeffrey Cariaso.
Our third inductee comes with the most potent array of stats. Points cup. Secured both 1,000 and 2,000 offensive and 2,000 defensive rebounds. A 10-time PBA champion, a 4-time Finals MVP, 8-time MVP, 11-time Best Player of the Conference, 9-time PBA All-Star, 9-time Mythical First Team. He was a Mythical Second Team member and a Defensive Player of the Year. A 7-time All-Defensive Team member, an All-Rookie Team member, a Comeback Player of the Year. A 3
Head and shoulder fake, one more fake, then he goes around the
He played for 14 seasons for teams including Tivoli, Presto, Santa Lucia, Alaska, Tanduay, and Coca-Cola. He is a member of the 5,000 Boys Club. He secured 2,000 defensive and 1,000 offensive rebounds. He recorded 500 steals. He is a 10-time champion, 3-time...
Welcome to the roster of the greatest PBA players. Former Red Lion, Mr. Abiki, to receive this special...
Congratulations, Danny Siegel, and here is the list of the different accolades, different accomplishments of our honoree. Danny Siegel, you played 7 years for Rookie of the Year. Quebeco, the Air 21 Barranco Bull, and Thomas Max, you belong to the 5,000 Boys Club. You secured 2,000 defensive rebounds, 2 8-time champion, 4-time Finals MVP, 2-time Best Player of the Conference, 8-time PBA All-Star, 3-time Mythical First Team, was a Mythical Second Team, was once Rookie of the Year, and Comeback Player of the Year. Once again, welcome to the roster of the greatest players.
He revolutionized the small forward position in the PBA. Truly one of the greatest. We welcome a finals MVP twice over, 1-time season MVP, a 7-time champion, and a 2-time Best Player of the Conference. 6 times was named to a PBA All-Star team, even winning a PBA Sportsmanship Awardee. Multiple Mythical First Team, and once a Mythical Second Team member. He was also once the most improved player of the league, one of the best rebounding guards we've seen in history.
Butler goes straight up, he can find the ring.
All right, pass, Butler. His Nova is there. Experience of Butler. He can really break his arm rebound. He is going to go up against Ricky Relosa. Lázaro, and here's Quadras. He goes up. Finds himself confronted by Ricky Relosa. The ball.
Brother Calvin Tuanes and his son Arnold Rich Tuanes. Tuanes played for 40 teams with Toyota, Ginebra, Alaska, Shell, and Presto. He is a member of the 5,000 point club. He dished out 2,000 assists, secured 1,000 offensive rebounds, and was a 9-time champion. Rookie of the Year, part of the Mythical 5, and a Mythical second team member, and was a Scoop Most Outstanding Player.
Victorino! He played for 15 seasons for teams like Presto, Shell, 7-Up, Ginebra, and Pure Foods. He belongs to the 5,000 points club, securing 2,000 defensive and 1,000 offensive rebounds. A 6-time PBA champion, 5-time PBA All-Star, and if you watch the highlights, he was matched up against tremendous forwards and centers, the likes of Nelson Asaitono, Alvin Patrimonio, that he will now join in the PBA's greatest list. Again, a round of applause for Manny Victorino! Manila Beer, Alaska, Summit, Pepsi, Mobiline, and Sunday Beer. He's a member of the 5,000 point club, secured 2,000 defensive and 1,000 offensive rebounds. He was a 9-time champion, was a comeback player of the year, and a 3-time PBA All-Star. He was a member of a Mythical first team, a 3-time Mythical second team, and a 7-time All-Defensive team. He was also a Grand Slam champion. Once again, welcome to the roster of the PBA greatest, Mr. Yoyoy Villame. And at this point, we request our other right to see who they are part of this very elite and esteemed group of people. Once again, Signal President, Ms. Jane Jimenez Basas, TV5 President, Mr. Guidon Zaballero, to join us for this photo op with our PBA 50 greatest, our Board of Governors, and our Commissioners. For our PBA greatest players in history, celebrating 50 years of the PBA. Cheers! We will continue the celebration after this break.
veterans ako.
Dapat sa'yo ulit ang manso.
Yan, madami yan.